I'm pretty sure for step one that's not legal. Okay, we'll just keep going down here. More duct tape. Okay, and then we got this. I mean, metal screws drive into PVC pipe and then attached to the air handler? Are you fucking serious right now? And then it goes down here. To nothing. This does absolutely nothing. I don't know who inspected this furnace the last time, but I think they need to go back to school. Because that's not legal. Especially that. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh yeah, not to even mention this. Duct tape. On a flue pipe that gets over 180 degrees. Yeah. Water draining down it. But they allowed it to pass. What the living fuck? I don't understand. If you're gonna put a new furnace in, use the correct flue pipe and use the correct intake. It's not that fucking hard. I don't understand what you fucking people are doing here. Look at that pipe. Why? I don't understand this. I'll be sending this to a couple of HVAC companies because this is ridiculous. Duct tape on a pipe that gets 200 degrees. That's stupid. Anyways, hope y'all guys have a great night. This is a fucking nightmare waiting to happen.